Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of English language. Today we are going to read about your chapter number 8 question tag. Now question tag means to ask a question in a short form. You see here a tag questions changes the statement into the question. There is a statement and in a very short form you are asking the question. For example, you can see here he is writing a play. Statement is he is writing a play. The question is in a very question tag is isn't he? Then second one, Sultana will not attend the workshop, will she? Now the difference you can see in both the sentences is it is a positive and the question tag is negative. In the second sentence, the statement is negative. See negative, not. The question tag is positive. The tag question is used to in a spoken English to confirm the listeners agree with the speakers. Example is Jack was invited to speak during the assembly. Jack was invited to speak during the assembly. This is positive. So the question tag is negative, wasn't he? Now, formation of the question tags. If the sentence has a helping verb, if a sentence have a helping verb, it to form the tag, some helping verbs are is, am, was, were, has, have, had, etc. For example, we are driving to Patna. We are driving to Patna. Aren't we? The sentence is positive. The question tag is negative. Then the curtains are not clean. Again, see the sentence is negative. The question tag are they. Now we will start with the exercises. See, match the column. First sentence is, you can see here, it is a positive. Mary can get the radio repaired. Mary can. So it will be I. And I1 is, can't she? Mary. Second one is, they are not busy. See, the sentence is negative and the matching sentence will be were they, J1. The last word is J. So, they were not busy, it's a negative, and in the column B, it's a were they. So, this is that you will write here J and here negative. The third one, he will stay in hostel. It is a positive and it is F, won't he? Then fourth one, Rahul is absent today, positive, and the sentence is isn't he? It's a B. Then fifth one, we are not late. Again, see, it's a negative. And are we? It is G. Sixth one is the babies were sleeping. It is a positive sentence. And here we will write weren't they? It is H. Then seventh one, the secretary has not printed. See, it's a not is there. It's a negative. Are we? Seventh one is has he. So has he is C. Eighth one, it was not raining. Again, see, the not is there. It's a negative. So the column B will be positive. And it is, it was it. It was it. It is your E. Then ninth one is Alia's favorite dresser is peach melba ice cream. It is a positive sentence and the answer will be isn't it? It's A. And last one is you should not break traffic rule. Again a negative and answer will be should you. It is D. Then we move to our exercise B where we have to add a suitable question tags. Ostriches are found in Australia, aren't they? Because it's a positive sentence. Then second one is Sheetal was not selected to play the part of Juliet. Was she? It will be was she. It has not rained in Delhi for several days. Has it? Then the fourth one is the vintage car show will be held in the month of February, won't it? Won't it? And fifth one, the earthworm is considered as a farmer's friend, isn't it? Then fifth one is world and earthworm is considered as a farmer's friend, isn't it? Then sixth one is world finest teas are grown in Darjeeling, aren't they? And seventh one is the chauffeur drove the guest to the airport, didn't he? Then eighth one is they released the movie during the summer vacation, didn't they? And then the ninth one, Saina Nehwal plays badminton, doesn't she? 11th, Pooja studies in class 6th, doesn't she? 12th is they do not want to change all the furnitures, do they? So, you have seen that how the question tags are used in a very short form. The sentences where these sentences are positive, the question tag will be the negative, and if the statements are positive, the question tag will be positive. So that's all for today's session. We will meet in our next session with a new topic. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.